Hermes Agent version 0.20 just changed everything. What happens when your AI agent can hear you from across the room, not type, talk, interrupt it mid-sentence, and it just listens? That's not next year. That shipped 2 days ago. Hermes Agent version 0.20 just dropped, and I'm already running it inside my Agent OS. Most people scrolled right past it. Big mistake. Hey, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie. I help people learn AI tools and actually use them in their work. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what's inside this update, how I'm running Hermes inside my own Agent OS, and one feature buried in the release notes that I think matters more than the voice stuff everyone's talking about. Stick around for that one. So let's get into it. On August 3rd, Nous Research shipped Hermes Agent version 0.20. They call it the Herald Release, and the numbers behind it are wild. Around 3,650 commits, over 650 contributors, around 1,200 issues closed. This is a free, open source agent on GitHub, and it's moving faster than most paid tools I've tested. The headline feature is voice, real conversational voice. Before this update, voice mode was clunky. You'd speak, wait for the whole reply to generate, then listen to one long audio file, like leaving voicemails back and forth. Now, Hermes speaks as the response streams, piece by piece, and here's the part that got me. You can interrupt it, just start talking, and it stops, listens, and the model actually gets told you cut in. They call it barge-in. It works in the terminal, on the desktop app, and through chat platforms. I've been testing this for content planning inside my Agent OS. I used voice mode to talk through a full video series built around questions AI Profit Boardroom members keep asking about agents. I just spoke my rough ideas out loud, cut Hermes off whenever it drifted, and steered it in real time. Then it drafted the hooks and outlines from that conversation. That series is exactly the kind of content that brings the right people into the AI Profit Boardroom, and I planned it without touching my keyboard. And it goes further than that. Wake words now run fully on your device. You pick your own phrase, say, "Hey Hermes," or literally anything you choose, and it starts listening. No audio leaves your machine while it waits, which matters if you care about privacy. Say stop, and the voice chat ends, hands-free on every surface. Voice also works on messaging platforms now. Send a voice note on WhatsApp, and Hermes transcribes it and answers. It can even reply with audio delivered the right way for each platform, so your agent isn't stuck in a terminal anymore. It's wherever you already talk. Now, remember that buried feature I mentioned at the top? Here it is. It's called Grounded Citations. This one changed how I trust AI research inside my Agent OS. There's a new skill where every claim Hermes makes in research gets backed by a real, verifiable source. Quotes get matched against the actual page text, so it's not making things up. Citations link to the exact evidence, and there's a fact-checking mode. Hand it any document or claim, and it tells you what checks out, what doesn't, and what it couldn't verify. That's the difference between sounds right and provably sourced. If you've ever been burned by an AI confidently making stuff up, this is the fix. Quick pause here because this connects directly to what we do inside the iProfit Boardroom. If you want to actually run this update instead of just watching a video about it, you can get the full zip file inside the Agent OS ready to install right there in the AI Profit Boardroom. And we built out a complete 30-day roadmap here as use cases, so you're not guessing what to do with it. Voice agents and grounded research are exactly what we're covering on the live coaching calls right now, so you can bring your setup, ask questions, and get unstuck on the spot. There are step-by-step walkthroughs, the prompts, and the templates, plus over 4,000 members working through the same tools. If you're watching this video, the AI Profit Boardroom was built for you. Okay, back to the update. Let's talk about how the agent itself got smarter, because this is where the real workflow gains are. First, mid-turn redirects. Before, if the agent went the wrong way, you had to stop it and re-explain everything. Now you just type a correction while it's working. The work in flight is kept, your original prompt is kept, and it course corrects with your new guidance. Steering feels like editing, not restarting. That alone saves me so much time on long tasks. Second, the tools fix themselves now. When output gets cut off, it spills to a file the agent can read back. When an edit fails, it diagnoses why, like a white space mismatch, and recovers. When a search matches nothing, it probes for near misses instead of giving up. And the limit on how many tool steps the agent can take in one run jumped from 90 to 500. That means long autonomous runs don't hit an artificial wall anymore. You can hand it a big job and walk away. Third, memory. Context compression got a full overhaul. Long sessions used to stall or forget recent messages. Now, recent conversation is guaranteed to survive. Compression happens in small steps instead of one giant pause, and everything stays coherent. If you run long agent sessions, you'll feel this immediately. There's also a whole wave of speed. Startup in one mode dropped from around 14 seconds to under 2. The desktop app runs at 60 frames per second, even with 5 sessions streaming at once, and it sits near 0 CPU in the background. And the desktop app itself became a platform. It renders artifacts now, versioned cards with a live sandbox preview, So generated pages and little apps run safely right next to your chat. There's a real plugin SDK with a Kanban board as the first plugin. There's a quick entry window on a global hotkey, so you can capture a thought into any session from anywhere on your computer. This stopped being a chat client and started being a workbench. There's also a real upgrade to how approvals work, and I felt this directly inside my Agent OS. Instead of clicking approve on every single action, Hermes can now mine your approval history and suggest a list of things to auto-approve going forward. Less clicking without giving up control. And if something starts looping or misbehaving, a circuit breaker shuts it down after a few denials in a row instead of letting it spiral. Two more things in this release worth knowing. Hermes now speaks agent to agent, the A2A Protocol, version 1. That means it can discover and talk to other compatible agents. If you're building systems where multiple agents work together, Hermes now fits right in. And there are outbound webhooks. Hermes can push signed events to any web address you register. Session activity, completed turns, tool events. So you can wire it into your dashboards or other systems without constantly checking for updates. So who is this for? Honestly, more people than you'd think. If you already use a coding agent like Claude Code or Codex, there's a one-command migration tool called Hermes Import Agent that moves your whole setup over. If you're a beginner, the voice mode makes this the most approachable agent I've tested because talking is easier than prompting. If you're a builder, the plugin SDK, Webhooks, and A2A give you real building blocks, and it's free and open source. You bring your own model access, and everything else is on GitHub. Before we wrap, here are my tips for getting started, straight from how I run Hermes inside my own Agent OS. 1. Start with voice mode and pick a custom wake word. It sounds like a gimmick until you use it for a day, then it becomes how you think out loud. 2. Run the init command in your project first. It scans everything and writes a guide file, so the agent understands your setup before it touches anything. 3. Use the context command when sessions get long. It shows exactly what's filling your context window, so you know what to trim. 4. Turn on grounded citations for anything factual. Make provably sourced your default. And 5. Don't try every feature in week 1. Pick one workflow, get it solid inside your Agent OS, then stack the next. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 85,000 members who are crushing it with AI. And look, here's what's actually going to happen when you install Hermes into your own Agent OS tonight. The install will go fine. Then you'll hit the real questions. Which model do I connect? How do I set up wake words? Why is my agent stalling on long runs? That's the exact gap the AI Profit Boardroom closes. You can get the full zip file inside the Agent OS, ready to install. And we built out a complete 30-day roadmap here as use cases, so you always know your next step. Plus tutorials, prompts, and live coaching calls where you can share your screen and get your setup fixed in real time. Over 4,000 members are in there working through this exact stack right now, so you're never stuck alone at step 2. Come build with us, aiprofitboardroom.com.